If you've ever wondered how to select two layers in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to select multiple layers, plus how to select a whole range of layers when you need to work faster. This is a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of the time when you're editing designs, moving objects around, or organizing a busy project. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tips and easy editing guides. Let's jump in. First, look over to the right side of the Photopea workspace and open the Layers panel if it isn't already visible. This is where all of your image and text layers are listed, and it's the panel you'll use every time you want to manage multiple elements in your project. Now, to select two separate layers, click on the first layer you want to choose. You'll see it become active. After that, hold down Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac, and then click on the second layer you want to select. As soon as you do that, both layers will be highlighted in gray, which tells you they're selected together. This is really useful when the layers are not next to each other because you can target exactly the ones you need without affecting the rest of your design. If you want to select more than two layers that are right next to each other, there's an even faster method. Click the top layer in the group, then hold Shift and click the bottom layer. Photopea will automatically select every layer in between. So instead of clicking each one individually, you can grab a whole block of layers in just one move. This is especially helpful when you're working on stacked text, grouped design elements, or a series of objects that all need to be moved or edited together. Once your layers are selected, you can move them, transform them, or apply changes to all of them at the same time. And that's really all there is to it. Just remember, use Ctrl or CMD for individual layers and use Shift for a continuous range of layers. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Photopea shortcut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.